Sahil, get us the very latest as far as the arguments of Amit Desai is concerned. Where a case is being made about the kind of allegation specifically about the sections under which all of these three people have been booked. This is something that Desai is underscoring.
Well, of course, this is a basic argument of most of the accused. In fact, that was the basic argument of the two of the accused who were released yesterday by the Sessions Court. Of course, the Narcotics Control Bureau could not produce any kind of a WhatsApp chats to show it to the judge the way they could manage to do it with respect to Aryan and Arbaz. But that could not happen with in that case, and these two accused could manage to get bail in the Sessions Court. But whereas here, NCB's arguments were based on the WhatsApp chats, and they were showing these WhatsApp chats. It's also part of their reply. But what we can see here is that, like Mukul Rohatgi, even Amit Desai, his basic argument that when Arbaz Merchant was also arrested on the day one, that is on second night, 3rd October morning, the charges were not of severe nature. The charges were of the consumption and procurement of the narcotic substances. The 27A and 29, the severe charges, which deals with the financing to the drug cartel as well as being part of the conspiracy racket of the drug syndicate, were not against them. The section 29 was applied later to the case. So he is trying to say that rather than doing that, why not, even if those charges are true, even if you consider that those charges are true, on the day when they were arrested, the maximum sentence is 1 year, is the basic argument which was done by even Mukul Rohatgi yesterday. It looks like that Amit Desai will continue with his argument for some time now. It's almost 4:10. Today, exactly at 4 o'clock, the arguments begin with Amit Desai, who is standing for Arbaz Merchant right now. He is trying to argue that the scope of 41A, the section 41A, should be considered, and it has been considered in various judgments in the context of power of arrest. It was pointed out that the arrest was illegal yesterday by Rohatgi, because Rohatgi said that there was no recovery from Aryan Khan. Ideally, he should have been let off the way many other people were let off. Why he was not let off? Even if when there was nothing recovered from Aryan Khan, he should have been let off, is what he was trying to say. He has still not got into the retraction part of the statement. He's saying that the statements have been retracted by all the accused. But right now the arguments will continue. What it clearly seems like, he is citing Amnesh Kumar judgment. And so basic interpretation, what Amit Desai is trying to say, that he's going into the case one by one, because there have been two remands which had happened before the case finally reached to this stage at the High Court for the bail application. Earlier there were two remands in the magistrate court happened. After that they applied for a bail in the magistrate court, which was denied. Then it was again taken to the Sessions Court. There also the bail was denied. But the earlier two remand application, the first day the remand application was made, the 1 day remand was given to Narcotics Control Bureau. He's mentioning that. And the second day when the remand application was made, 3 days custody was given to Narcotics Control Bureau. And he's mentioning that. It says that, the first two remand says that first it was still 3, later it became 8, and then later it became conspiracy of 20. So basically what he's trying to say, that one by one, Narcotics Control Bureau tried to make the case of conspiracy. When earlier they were arrested, of all the 3 people, the first day when they were shown arrested, that time the 20 people were not there. That time the conspiracy was not there. When they arrested 20 people, suddenly they have brought in this angle of conspiracy, is what he's trying to do. So one by one, he's going into the various arguments put forward till now. And it looks like that the hearing is going to go on even today.